I chose the Firman 1050 generator because it was the cheapest one I could find at any of the local retailers. It sells for $248 locally. I wanted a small capacity generator to run a few lights and phone chargers during an inevitable power outage. I don't need to run all the household appliances. 1300 watt start and 1050 watt run is sufficient. Firman is a subsidiary of China National Machinery Industry Corporation. Specs for the Firman powered equipment P01001 gas-powered 1300 1050 watt extended run time portable generator are 1300 starting watts, 1050 running watts, 1.3 gallon tank with 9 hours run time, and one 520R 120 volt 20A outlet. That's the 3-hole kind. The unboxing took an unfortunate turn when I snipped off the security sensor. I swear I paid for this machine and have a receipt to prove it. The cashier forgot to deactivate the tag, and even when the alarm went off, the security guy just checked the receipt. I didn't anticipate the alarm going off or how hard it would be to stop it. At any rate, the manual is detailed and clear. Get everything you need in the kit, including the oil and the tools. I had an initial mishap of putting the wrong gas in the tank. I compounded my problems when draining the tank, with the result being a fouled air filter. After some googling and cleaning, the machine started easily and ran well.